Hey there! Ever wondered how to create a smashing cryptocurrency video? Whether you're diving into the basics, promoting your CoinMe project, or exploring market trends, I've got you covered in just a few steps. Let's dive in. First things first, define your purpose and audience. Are you breaking down cryptocurrency basics for beginners? Or maybe you're showcasing CoinMe's unique features? Understanding your audience is crucial. Are they beginners needing simplified explanations or seasoned investors looking for advanced insights? Next, decide the format of your video. An explainer video with engaging animations is perfect for simplifying complex concepts. If you're into step-by-step instructions, a tutorial might be your best bet. Promotional videos can highlight your project's unique benefits, while webinars or interviews can host expert discussions on cryptocurrency trends. Now let's talk about planning the script. Start with a hook, something like, "Did you know Bitcoin was worth only 1 cent when it launched? Today it's worth thousands." Then introduce your topic or CoinMe project. Divide the body into key points. What is cryptocurrency? How does blockchain work? And how does CoinMe solve a problem? Use data, visuals, or real-world examples to explain. Wrap up with a recap and a strong call to action, like visit coinme.com to learn more or subscribe for weekly insights. Gather your visuals and assets next. Include your logo and consistent branding colors. Infographics can simplify data-heavy concepts, and stock footage can enhance your narrative. Tools like Animaker can help create visually appealing segments. When it comes to production, keep your video between 2 to 5 minutes for maximum engagement. Use clear, concise language, especially for beginners. Add subtitles to make your video accessible to a global audience, and include background music to maintain interest. Finally, distribute your video. Share it on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, formerly Twitter, and TikTok. Embed it on your CoinMe homepage, include it in newsletters, and use online ads to reach a wider audience. And there you have it. Mastering cryptocurrency videos made easy. Ready to get started? Happy creating.